Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread updated. Mash ripe bananas, preheat oven to 350 degrees F, then combine dry and wet ingredients separately before folding together and pouring into a greased loaf pan. Add nuts or chocolate chips if desired and check doneness with a toothpick. Cool on a rack for at least 15 minutes before slicing to keep the loaf moist and easy to serve. Measure ingredients precisely, and room temperature eggs and butter help the batter emulsify smoothly. If bananas are not sweet enough, stir in 1 tablespoon brown sugar or a splash of maple syrup. Fold dry ingredients gently to avoid overmixing, which causes a dense loaf. For a tender crumb, avoid substituting all-purpose flour for cake flour without adjusting liquids that affect texture and rise. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep sharing updates. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for kitchen timers, setting reminders, and streaming music while you bake, and it fits neatly on a counter without taking precious prep space. It even helps you call out measurements hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the loaf pan in the center of the oven for even heat distribution, and rotate once if your oven has hot spots. If the top browns too quickly, tent with foil after 30 minutes. Allow the bread to rest so steam redistributes and the interior firms up. Store wrapped at room temperature for 2 days or freeze slices individually for longer keeping and quick breakfasts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.